Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Bitcoin from Robinhood to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade on a different platform or just want more control over your assets, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Bitrue, and that you have some Bitcoin in your Robinhood wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. Bitcoin transactions typically use the BTC network. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio and select the Bitcoin you want to transfer. You'll see an option to withdraw or send crypto. Click on that. Robinhood might ask for additional verification, so have your two-factor authentication ready. Step 2. Enter the destination address. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to your wallet, and copy the Bitcoin deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any losses. Paste it into the Robinhood withdrawal form, and specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so factor those in. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. Robinhood will show you a summary, including fees and the final amount. Take a moment to ensure everything looks good, then hit confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, which you can use to track the transfer on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes about 10 to 30 minutes to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitrue wallet for the deposit. Pro tip: always start with a small amount for your first transfer to test the waters and avoid any potential issues. And that's it, you've successfully sent Bitcoin from Robinhood to Bitrue. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.